To adjust date and time settings in OnePlus 15, first of all we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here we can select System and Update. Now find the date and time, click on it, and then we can see all of the settings for date and time. First thing is time format, so you can switch between 12 hours format or 24 hours format, pick whichever one you like. Then there's set time automatically, which will by its name automatically adjust the time settings and date settings. You can disable it to pick the manual date and time, but I would recommend to leave it as enabled, otherwise you may encounter some problems with synchronization on your device. Then there's the set time zone automatically that you can enable or disable as well. When it's disabled, you can pick different time zone as well. Then there's a dual clock. If you activate it, you'll be able to see time from two different places. So you can select clock number 1 from the specific time zone and clock number 2 from different time zone. And you can display the dual clock on the lock screen, only, home screen, clock widget only, or both of them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.